Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hard work feels good. I'm going to show you how to tackle firewood, chainsawing, and more while I share my skills with you. Join me in achieving small accomplishments as part of the bigger picture. Feels good. Give it a try. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hard work feels good. Today, back with the weed whacker again. I know some people were asking, why don't you have, an easier way, because they're pretty awkward using the weed whackers, etc. So I started really looking into it. I found a couple things, figured I'd give it a try, let you know so you don't waste your money. I use my money. So real quickly, we're back at it with the STIHL KM56RC with the special attachments. I'm sure if you watch my other videos, there's probably going to be a link somewhere up here. So you'll see the links to different attachments that I got. I recently got a couple new attachments. You'll see those. And one thing that I got was this. It's a bar. It's on Amazon. If you take a look, I'll post up my my new website, hardworkfeelsgood.com. It's got a link to all the items that I have that I'm using in my videos. So I think this was $15 or $16. It's a setup. Comes with a strap, which the STIHLs all come with straps. Comes with the attachment and then the bar to make it easy for when you go to hold it. This helps too if you got an injury, a back injury, or a smaller framed individual trying to use a weed whacker. We're going to show you putting that on. I also got this off of Amazon. Again, I'll put a link on my website, hardworkfeelsgood.com. Somewhere up in here you'll see that. But this is a brace for your back, and then it's got a special thing on the side so it holds it, so you really don't have to, your body's holding instead of your arms and your upper back. But to get started real quick, all the STIHLs come with some sort of wrench and a setup, either a flathead or the star setup. So in order to put this on, you got to take this off. I do use this handle. I'm just trying something new. So you got to take this off. Alright guys, you don't want to lose these washers and the nuts. I'm sure you can see on the GoPro better of an angle. All that comes off. So don't lose it. You got 2 nuts, 2 washers that go on the inside when the bracket goes on. I'm sure you saw that on the GoPro, and your screws. And then your handle. So let's see what we got here in the package. Comes with the bracket and an Allen. Alright, so you put when you take it apart, you use their stuff. It's got the Allen. I'm sure you see it better on the GoPro, but the Allen takes them off. You got the rubber gasket. Make sure you put the rubber gasket on, and then this would go on. And this is to hold the handle. That's upside down, so let's do this. Let's flip this back over. Right side up. Doing right side up so that when I put this in, the handle would go in like this. Let me take it out of the plastic, hold on. So that it would go in like this. So let's tighten this all back down, get it all situated. Make sure the gasket lines up in there so you're not ruining the shaft of the weed whacker. Don't forget guys, always start backwards and then go forward so you're not stripping them. Helps it to line up. Is this gasket thicker? Hold on a second. Let's try the other gasket. So it gives you 2 gaskets. And I think one's for a larger shaft and one's for a smaller shaft. I thought for sure that being a commercial grade weed whacker, the shaft would be thicker, but I think it's the other gasket, not this one that I used. So guys, don't make that mistake. Check before you do it. It's good that I'm making the mistakes for you, so you could see the mistakes I'm making, so you don't make them. Okay guys, so real quickly, if you buy this, there's a thin one. It's pretty flimsy. The other one, that one's thicker, and it looked, when I put it on now, it doesn't even move. So from there, all you gotta do is loosen the bottom, which it looks like it's already loosened, and this just slides in and you tighten it down. Okay, let's see. There's a stop in there, guys. I can feel it with my finger, so it won't go all the way through, which is great. Just a matter of tightening it up. Okay guys, so this is the setup now. Looks like this. If you don't like this setup, all you got to do is loosen it up, and I didn't make it that tight. Maybe I did, but this way you can adjust this with the 4 screws on the bottom. You just adjust it, make it looser or tighter, and then you're, as I can see, it's already a lot more comfortable. I'm not leaning over like this. I can already feel that I'm standing up straight to weed whack. I do want to check this other one out and see what this is all about. Gives you instructions. We don't need to read instructions. This is a STIHL product. This handle is not a STIHL product. So this goes over you like a backpack. Connect it up. There we go. That's better. And you got to take off the shoulder harness that they give you, and connect this on right here. Oh yeah, that's it. Look, I mean, it's perfect. I'm not even, I gotta adjust it up a little bit. I think I put it down a little bit too far. Yeah, it's perfect. I mean, definitely right off the jump, I'm not even using it, and I already recommend this. I just gotta adjust it a little bit more. Plus I got the GoPro on, so that doesn't help. But it's like I'm barely even holding it. This will be nice to cut, and I could just get in there and do my thing. So let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. It's free to subscribe. The more you subscribe, I can bring more videos to you, and drop a comment in. Let me know what you think about these products. If there's something that you want to see, I could buy it, test it, let you know. I'll do a quick review on it. But I definitely recommend the harness, and the handle seems to be good. I just got to adjust it a little bit. Don't forget, guys, hard work feels good. Give it a try. All right, until next time, guys. I'll see you.